Hi there guys, hope you're all well and welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, there is an announcement and also how to use the yen basket to find trades like what we saw with the DXY previously on the channel. So yeah, what we'll do before we begin, I will talk about the announcement. You might notice that there's some different branding on the YouTube channel, so you might have got a bit confused when you saw this in your subscriptions. However, I will now actually be part of my friend's FX service called DVS FX. As you've seen in the previous videos, what it's going to be like is similar to what I did in the past. So all my daily ideas will be sent into this group. My friend Jack, his gold analysis will be sent into the group. Bit of a background on Jack, he's done over 1,000% on an account just based on gold. Not doing anything that you're not capable of. And it's just a case of basically how to compound an account, like you saw in the last video as well. And just how you can utilize that to make the best out of your gains. So in the group, there'll be weekly breakdowns, there'll be my daily analysis and also some hour analysis, so trade ideas, the trades I'm getting in. There'll also be Jack's ideas for gold, also his ideas for the FX pairs. So obviously it's two heads coming together and obviously finding the best opportunities. And there is also, which there wasn't in the past, a community channel. So you'll be able to join it. You can speak with obviously other like-minded traders. Obviously any trade ideas that you yourself have, or if you want to ask any questions, you can actually ask in the group and it is open for discussion. So yeah, what I'm going to do, the link in the bio, the first one, will be a link to the site. If you are interested in joining the analysis in the community and stuff like that, then just click the link, navigate through the website. There is also going to be a giveaway this upcoming week, but you'll see that in the next video. But yeah, guys, that's the announcement. I just wanted to get that out of the way, and then now we can go on to some educational content. So if you watch the weekly outlook from this weekend, you will see that I did break down the JPY basket. Just to clarify, this is the JPY basket. It's basically the DXY here, but for the JPY. So what I said in the video was when price entered these areas here, I was expecting the yen to get weak. Now, if we just go on a base rule, so if the JPY is weak, you would expect potentially JPY, Euro, Yen, so GJ, EJ, AJ, let me just do it this way, things like CAD Yen, any pair which is XXX Yen, you would expect these pairs here to get strong. And let me put that in caps. So you're saying you want the yen, if I can do this properly, to get strong. And you know what? I'm just giving up. There we go. So if the JPY gets weak and enters our areas of confluence, once again, these areas of confluence are going to be broken down in the analysis channel, showing you how you can use these areas to use as confluence with your trades. But yeah, if you're saying the JPY is going to get weak at these levels, then you can say that these pairs here are going to have an increase. If, like you saw here, when yen hit this area here, we did actually have a bounce of about 30 pips. So once again, you're saying if you're expecting JPY to get strong, you are looking for these pairs to get weak. So if areas are hit for a weak yen, expect pairs like GJ, EJ, AJ, CAD yen to get strong. And if the yen basket hits areas of strength like this, expect things like GJ, EJ, AJ, etc. to get weak. Now, let's see this in practice. What I'm going to do in this video, I'm only going to go over this example here because you don't need multiple examples. It's super simple stuff. So this here, I said, when price hits this area, expect some yen weakness. This happened on the 16th of May at 4 AM. Okay, so 4 AM. If we go on to GJ, which was one of the pairs I mentioned regarding this, And if we actually rewind, what happened at 4 a.m. on this pair? So we were saying we was expecting a weak yen. And let me do this. So we were expecting weak JPY, and this was at 4 a.m. on the 16th of May. So just so we're all on the same page. What would this mean? If we're expecting a weak yen at this time based on the area, we would expect pound yen to get strong. And let me just put this in here. We would expect pound yen. I'm not having a good day today, guys. So we would expect JPY to get strong, or GJ to get strong. And what happened? This is at 4 a.m. Price hit a 50 fib level here on the 1 hour. Just going off this just for ease. So it hit your 50 fib area. Bit of structure, obviously, based off that there, if you are that type of trader. But we are just simply going off the 50 fib here. So what happened at the 50 fib? We were expecting weak yen, strong GJ. What happened? Price just kept going. So this would have potentially been a good swing opportunity for you as well. Did see some pound weakness, obviously, today, just pulling back. But as you can see here, this trade all stemmed from expecting weak yen once the JPY basket hit a certain point. And what happened? Price pulled back to the 50 fib on GJ. We used that with the confluence of the JPY basket here. And they came together and made a nice trade here. If we also look what happened on Australian dollar JPY at the same time. Now, if I just rewind it once again. We're saying at 4 a.m. we are expecting the yen to get weak. Meaning, a pair like Australian dollar yen, we would potentially expect some strength. What happened? This next candle, this is the 4 a.m. candle. You can see price rejected this area. Simple trade, 61 fib. You had a round number of 88.50, and you also had a retest of previous structure. So 3 confluences in and around this area. What happened following that? Price continued to push, and this would have been a good entry. Now, this video isn't about entry points and stuff like that. It is simply just to show you how to use these as confluence. And you can see following that, the market has continued pushing. So if you would have entered in and around the 55 area, 88.55, you would now currently, if you had a runner, be pretty much running 200 pips. So GJ hit a buy area, AJ hit a buy area. At the same time, the JPY basket did as well. Now, what you can do as well, guys, I'm just going on to the YouTube channel here. You can see, if you go here and look at, where are we now? Let's have a look. It's how to use the DXY. This one here. So this previous video here, how to use the DXY to find trades. I will put this here in the bio. So what you can do, you can go back to that one as well, and you can simply just have a look and see if it's an area or a video that you understand. So once again, guys, obviously the new branding DVS FX. Hopefully we will see a few of you in the group. Just to give you a brief understanding of what happened. Last month, Jack did actually send 1,800 pips worth of trades into the group. So again, easily more value than obviously most other things. So with that, you can learn from the charts, you can profit from the charts, and you can learn just how someone trading the market full time actually sees the market. So once again, link will be in the bio. I hope you have found this video useful. Any questions, drop them below, and I'll see you in the next one.